we're done.
What is that? A volcano?
A volcano with lava. It's the best thing I got for lava.
Huh?
Best red stuff I have for lava.
Yeah. That's great. That's great.
You can have it if you want. Be here all day.
I'm shooting a video. Is it okay?
Yeah, it's fun.
You can be in the camera, it's fine. Arseny, you are helping out? It's a volcano. And this is the lava. Arseny, the volcano is active. Be careful, no, don't destroy. That's your lava. Here we go. Wow, and my assistant is coming.